Welcome ladies and gentlemen, this time we're making a battery for a BMW i3. Oh yeah, out of cardboard. Okay then everyone, that is the CAD templates for the battery models made up. So here we've got the Renault Zoe. As you can see, it's sort of a shoebox size roughly. 373 millimeters by 204 by 140. And for those that are American or old, just under 15 inches by just over 8 inches by 5.5 inches. 16 of those, I believe. Nissan Leaf, 300 by 230 by 70 millimeters, well 12 inches by 9 inches by 2 3/4. Obviously these are all approximate, but if you guys know any better, please let me know. In terms of Nissan Leaf, I think it's something like 48 modules. And then the BMW i3, only 8 modules, but it is a very, very bulky unit when you compare it to the others. Okay, but 150 by 310 by 410 in millimeters, or 6 inches by 12.25 by 16 1/8 approximately. So thank you to B as in Bjorn on YouTube, who's got some good videos on the BMW i3, and thank you to Benjamin Nelson again on YouTube for information about the Leaf. I'm going to go outside now and try and put these in the boot and put them in the floor pan and work out which one we're going to use. So at first glance it looks really promising for the Nissan Leaf. We can stack probably 2 or 3 high if we raise the seat base up a little bit under here, and then you could, if you went 3 high along the back, that's 9 modules you can get under the rear seat. Okay, and then we could get another couple here. Maybe we could stand them up this way, maybe we could stand them up like that, cutting the tunnel out. Maybe get 2 or 3 side by side there. So that'll be 9 across the back, just in there. 3 there, and then another 3 up here, I reckon. So 3, 6, that's 15. Unfortunately, that leaves us another 23 to try and fit. I'll put a link in the description to a build that I've been following, and you can see how tricky it is to get these Nissan Leaf batteries into a Mini. On to the Renault Zoe. Again, we've got decent height here. We could go that way possibly. Maybe even come like this. Problem you've got to bear in mind is that the seat base is only going to come to here, so it's going to stick out quite a long way in front of the seat base. Then obviously your rear seat supports going to be around about here, so that could then cause problems with foot space for the rear passengers, and I'm really adamant I'm going to do everything I can to keep that rear seat. This tunnel is all going to get cut out, so this will be flat across here, so we could stick some modules like that, don't think we can go like this. Now let's get this floor flat and then we can have a proper look. I think with this way it's not going to be too impractical, just in case then of trying to work out how many we can fit in. So we might have a solution. As the Renault Zoe's got 16 modules, it makes sense to try and get 8 in here and then 8 in the boot. So what we may have to do is remove the companion box and then bring the battery modules right out to the edge here. If we do that, then we can get 6 underneath the seat. However, you can see here, excuse the camera work, that we're going to have to raise the seat up 8 centimeters. The question then is, if we raise the seat up 8 centimeters in the rear of a Mini, are we going to have any headroom at all? I've not got a Mini here that's built up, so I can't really work that out myself. So if you've got any comments on that, please let me know. That is a way I could do it. I could get then 6 under the seat there, 1 there, and then the last one there. Obviously it's not going to be that tall because the tunnel's going to come out, so that will drop down. So the Renault Zoe is a possibility. Let's have a look at the boot. So here we are at the back. Obviously you've got the original 12-volt battery compartment. So potentially we could put the batteries in that way. Let's go and get the tape measure. So obviously to achieve this, we're going to have to replace this whole floor. The question is, can we fit 8 of these modules in here? Let's have a look. So to try and put them in this way, we need 14 times 8, which is 1120. And we are not going to get that. As we can see, about 90 centimeters is the maximum we've got that way. So we can't put them in that way. It's a real shame, because obviously that would give us a little bit of boot space still. If we go this way, we're only going to get 6 in there, even if after we've dropped it down. So that's a no-go. Right, I think we found our solution. If we lay them like this, we can get 4 side by side, and obviously this whole level is going to be dropped down to the level of the current battery tray. So this whole section here will be a new battery tray, and then I'll just double stack. For double stack I can get 8 in. See, that would make it 28 centimeters high. We go to the old battery box. We can see that 28 centimeters high comes to about my thumb there, which is actually going to give me a tiny boot space in the back. So we know that we can get 16 Renault Zoe modules in 2 packs of 8, which makes it far easier for all the wiring to keep 2 packs of 8 together. Let's have a look at the i3.